What if I told you that most people in the US are losing over $1,000 every single month? And it's not because they don't earn enough, it's because their money is quietly leaking in places they never pay attention to. Between rising rent, groceries, gas, and random subscriptions, it feels impossible to save anything. But here is the truth. Saving $1,000 a month doesn't require a side hustle, extreme budgeting, or cutting all fun from your life. It just requires fixing a few invisible money leaks. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's start with the biggest silent killer of your money: subscriptions. Most people have no idea how many monthly charges are hitting their account. Streaming services, apps, gym memberships, cloud storage, premium trials that never got canceled, it all adds up. $10 here, $15 there. And suddenly you're paying $200 to $300 a month for things you barely use. The smartest move is simple. Cancel everything. Yes, everything, then add back only what you actually use. Rotate your streaming services instead of keeping them all. 1 month Netflix, next month Hulu. If you haven't used something in the last 30 days, it's not a luxury, it's stealing from you. Next comes a hack that feels almost illegal because of how easy it is: lowering your fixed bills without changing your lifestyle at all. Internet, phone plans, car insurance, these companies rely on you staying silent. One phone call asking for a promotional rate or threatening to switch. Providers can instantly save you $50 to $100 a month. Switching to a lower-cost mobile carrier can cut your phone bill in half. Comparing car insurance every 6 months instead of staying loyal can save you hundreds. Remember this: one uncomfortable phone call can save you more money than a week of hard work. Now let's talk about food, because this is where most Americans burn cash without realizing it. It's not that you eat too much, it's that you overspend while eating. Takeout, food delivery apps, impulse grocery shopping, snacks you don't need. The fix isn't extreme meal prepping or eating boring food. It's choosing just 3 core meals you cook every week and sticking to a grocery list. Cut delivery apps down to once a week or less. Use store rewards and cashback apps. Do this consistently, and you'll easily save $200 to $300 a month without feeling deprived. Here's the hack most people skip, and that's why they never build savings. You have to automate it. If saving money depends on willpower, it will fail. Treat savings like a bill that must be paid. The moment your paycheck hits, automatically transfer a set amount into a separate savings account. Not what's left over, what comes first. Even $200 on autopilot adds up fast, and because you never see it, you don't miss it. This is how people save without trying. Now let's quickly put the math together. $200 from subscriptions, $300 from lower bills, $300 from food, $200 from automated savings. That's $1,000 a month, not by earning more, but by keeping more of what you already make. Saving $1,000 a month isn't about sacrifice. It's about control. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. That $1,000 can become your emergency fund, your debt freedom, or your first real investment step. And once you prove to yourself that you can do this, everything changes. If this video helped you, comment "save" below so I know you're starting today. Hit like, subscribe, and remember this: your money should be working for you, not disappearing without permission.